Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So first of all, you have to open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keypad. Here it is. So as you can see, currently I do use English. To change it, tap on settings, pick languages and types, click on manage input languages, and now just choose the one in which you want to write. You can choose up to 4 languages. Let me stay with 2 of them, and so you can also see how to switch between 2 or more languages. Okay, so let's open messages this way, and as you can see now, smoothly by tapping on word icon, you can switch between languages that you have and write in preferred language. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.